Yes. So Abbas, let go back to the interview session. So, uh, can you tell me what is SAP HCM?
Uh, SAP HCM is a large scope of enterprise structure, dealing with all the employees' data. We do all the things in HCM, like uh, data, employee data, payroll, administration, all the administration work we do in HCM.
What do you understand by personal structure?
Personal structure. In the personal structure, basically we have three type of structures: enterprise structure, personal structure, and organization structure. In personal structure, we have employee group and subgroup. Employee group is the part of the employee, which is I will give you the example like the permanent employee. We have different kind of employees in the company. Someone is permanent, temporary, it may be the trainee. We use as a employee group for the permanent employees, and employee sub is the category of the level of the employee. Let's example, if the employee is permanent, it is maybe it is the top manager, the manager, or the supervisor. It is known as the employee subgroup.
Okay. What is the meaning of global employment in SAP HCM?
Okay, the global employment is in which we have different kind of companies, like company code, and we deal with different parts. Like we are in Pakistan, and some other company are is in USA or India or Bangladesh, somewhere else. It all the employment is known as the global environment, in which we deal every day. If the employee come from Pakistan to USA, we can transfer from because they have the only one personal number. We can transfer it, and we do not change the. We do not rehire the employee. We just transfer from one place to another place.
Okay, so my question will be from payroll part now. So, what do you understand by mandatory activities?
Mandatory activities. Okay, the mandatory activities is uh, the the do or performance in which we have to do mandatory. Let's suppose the first name, the last name, in which the SCP do some kind of thing like they have to mandate something like first name, last name. You have to enter the data of the employee mandatory, like the date of birth and something like this is known as the mandatory items. We have to do it in which we do not go to the next page, or we cannot perform the thing if the mandatory field is not okay.
Okay. What is the use of compensation management?
Okay. In which compensation management we can deal, like we have to pay employee as a benefit. We can compensate the employee. If I give the example, like if the employer gave the employee a mobile phone or mobile card, is known as we can deal in a compensation management. Okay, we can do all the employee data. Let's suppose the mobile card, the mobile laptop, this kind of thing we can use in compensation management.
Can you tell me what is SAP HCM workflow?
Sorry, SAP HCM
Workflow.
workflow.
Yes.
I give you the structure wise or the thing we can use in it, the sub modules.
I just like to know what is the definition of SAP HCM workflow. You don't need to get into
Okay.
detail. I just
Okay.
want to know the basic concept.
Okay. In the basic concept of SAP HCM. HCM is the human capital management, in which we can all the activities related to employee we can do in HCM. Like if an employee hired in a company, we can perform all the activities, hiring till firing or the leaving. We can perform in HCM. If an employee hired in a company, let's suppose in January, uh, after 3 months of 3 months they have the proposition period, we can perform the activity, all the details of the employee we can do in HCM module. Like the employee payroll, what are the basic pay allowances, conveyance allowance, house rent allowance, different kind of activity, recurring payments, or deductions. Like income tax is the deduction part. We can do perform all the things in the payroll part of HCM is the submodule. We can also do in HCM the personal development, in which we can match the employee performance. Like if the employer have the uh, part of the recruitment, we can also match the profile of the employee in personal development. And the training and event management, in which we can do different kind of activities. Like if the employee have want training, what are the things we can do, the room, what are the lecturer, we can do all the activities in training and event management, is the sub module of HCM. We can also
Okay,
have the e-recruitment process.
okay, thank you. So, what do you mean by info types in SAP HCM?
Okay. In infotype is the club of the information. uh, I give you the example. Yeah, all the things or all the related things in one part is known as infotype. Like if we go for the infotype 2, is the personal information of the employee, in which the employee first name, title, Mr. Mrs, last name, first name, uh, birthplace, nationality, 1, 2, 3, all the club of related. I can brief more.
Hello?
Yeah. Can I brief more in or the info type, or it is okay?
It's okay, okay. So my next question is, what do you mean by capacity planning? What is your understanding about capacity planning?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. The capacity planning is we can predict how much employee we want, how much the employee resign from the company, what are the next position. If I am a manager, I will go for the senior manager. We go for the capacity planning. We can plan the employee, how much we have the employee, or what are the benefit we give for the company, how long the employee will move to the company, is known as the capacity plan.
Okay, Abbas, thank you so much for joining this interview session. So we are almost in the end of our conversation. So basically, this is a
Okay,
very
sir. Thank you.
critical phase of this recruitment process. So once you are shortlisted here, then you'll have to go through a lot of other assessments in future. So best of luck.
Okay.
It was a nice discussion, and I
Thank
wish you a very good luck for the next round of interviews. Okay.
you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.